Palm Harbor Home.
Hey folks, this is Tallon Roberts again here at Palm Harbor Homes in Seguin, Texas. I just want to talk to you guys about this beautiful, beautiful triple wide that we have in here. This is our flagship, cream of the crop, triple wide, made by Palm Harbor in Austin, Texas. 2,897 square feet of just pure amazingness, just total shocker. So let's go ahead and take a walk through this bad boy. Okay, now we are in the master bedroom. And boy, would there be any other place that I would want to go to sleep at night or wake up in the morning. Here we've got the master retreat behind me, okay? You can have a TV there, whatever. You put a couple chairs here with a coffee table, maybe a coffee pot. Get up, have your coffee in the morning watching the news. Very spacious, can fit a king-size bed with nightstands, no problem. This is a beautiful, amazing master bedroom. Okay, now we're standing in this big, beautiful chef's kitchen in this La Belle. So here we've got, as you can see, quartz countertops throughout, which is just fantastic. It's not like granite, you don't have to seal it. It's very durable, you can set hot plates on it. Very awesome. Okay, you've got LED lighting, pendant lights hanging from a coffered ceiling, drop ceiling as most people would call it. Very, very attractive, very modern. Over here we also have the pantry space, okay? We have the microwave built into the cabinetry. Let's talk about the cabinetry a little bit. Now, the cabinetry here is actually hardwood cabinetry. So hardwood cabinets, 3/4 inch thick. It's not your dinky MDF board. This is the real deal, okay? You have your stainless steel appliances, stainless steel vent to hood, and you have your real tile backsplash going all the way up to the ceiling. It just looks elegant. And as you can see, we've got the art room right off the side of the kitchen, which is very awesome. It's got French doors. You can use it for an engineering room, an art room, study office. Very elegant, very attractive. Another great thing about this kitchen is look at this counter space. You've got a ton of counter space here all the way along this wall. A big picture frame window for lots of natural light. And then you've also got your side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. All Whirlpool appliances. This kitchen is made to make food and entertain for you and the family. So let's go check out the entertainment room. Okay, now I'm in the entertainment room. So this is right off of the dining room and living room, closed off by some barn doors, very attractive as well. Okay, there's a lot of attractive things about this house. You've got the coffered ceiling, okay, with the ceiling fan, some accent colored paint around. You've got the shiplap behind me. This house is awesome for entertainment, and this is exactly the reason why. You've got your entertainment wall here, which can fit up to about a 75-inch TV. You've got built-in coax and Cat 5 pre-wired into this house, so it just makes the whole house seamless, wireless, just very easy, very entertaining for you and your family. Oh man. Okay. I'm standing here in the master bathroom. This is a glamorous master bath, okay? This is fit for a celebrity. You've got a full tile shower, okay, with a rain shower head, and you've got a full soaker tub right here, all tile decked in, real nice. Lots of big windows for natural light again. You've got bowl style sinks with Moen faucets. It's all Moen hardware, so you know Moen is forever. Very, very good product. LED lights, you've got vents in the ceiling, you've got the secluded toilet for Taco Tuesday. This is where I would want to get ready for work every day. What about you? Okay, now we're in the master closet from the master bedroom. Okay, this has got wooden shelves and wooden dowels. You've got cubbies, you've got drawers, 3-bank drawers, still all hardwood cabinetry. Very, very awesome. Tons of space. Can't believe how much space is in here. And you think this is a big enough closet? Check this out. Okay, now I'm in the other master closet. Talk about space. When you didn't think you had enough, now you've got more. It's crazy. So guys, no more sharing closets. Now you can have an actual his and her closet. Lots of natural light, lots of cubbies. She's gonna love this closet. All natural wood. This is a very, very big closet. Can't express it to you enough. Okay, all this teleporting's getting me dizzy. I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining me on this tour of this beautiful La Belle. Come check it out, 401 Interstate Highway 10, right next to Home Depot, okay? Call us for an appointment, 830-500-0113. We'd love to have you stop by. And don't worry, we won't be teleporting through it. We can actually walk through it.